again, and I'm going to walk you through how to join Google Classroom if that is something that you're interested in. So if you look at my screen, you can see, I'm going to pull up the instructions that you received when you got the link from Dojo. So I'm going to pull that document up and show it to you real quick to walk you through it. So how do I sign into Google Classroom? Well, we're going to start, I'm going to post daily PowerPoints or slides onto Google Classroom, and you can or don't have to go through the activities with your child. So I'm going to post them here on Google Classroom because that's the easiest way, but let's get logged in first. So the first thing you have to do is open up your web browser that has an active internet connection, and you're going to type in classroom.google.com. And it's going to take you to a screen that looks kind of like this one. Let's see if I can zoom in a little here. Alright, so it's going to take you to a screen that has this on there. So you're going to click Go to Classroom, and once you do, it's going to ask you for an email address. So you're going to put in your child's school email address. That is the only email address that will work. The platform that Google Classroom uses is only for a platform called G Suite. So only the education accounts associated with that suite will work with the classroom. So you can't use your personal email. I've already tried because I was going to show you guys how to do this with my personal email, but it doesn't work. So you're going to use your child's email. That is their first name and their last name, all one word, followed by @cowetaschools.net. So here the example was James Smith. So James Smith at cowetaschools.net. If James goes by Michael in school, but his legal first name is James, then you're going to use James, not Michael. So if you go by Mike instead of Michael, you would put in Michael. So whatever the legal name is, and if there's two last names, leave out the hyphen. Just put just letters of their name. So you're going to type that in there, and then you're going to click Next. And that's going to ask you for a password. You should have already been sent this. Hopefully you've received this on Dojo. If you have not, then message me through Dojo, and I will get it to you. If you don't have Dojo and you're somehow watching this, I'm not sure how you would watch this, but if you are, you can email me, and I can give you the password. So, anyway, but it is going to be Infinite Campus. Your child has something called a person ID, which is their lunch number, and that's their password. That's it. It's a 6-digit number, and you will type it in. So if you did not get that 6-digit number from me for your child on Dojo, go ahead and let me know. Then you'll click Login, I think is what it said. Or no, you'll click Next, and it will take you to a screen that looks like this, and it will say, you know, here's how this works. Google Classroom's all about blah, 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 blah. You just click Accept, and it'll take you to a screen like this. You'll just click I'm a student, and then you'll click Get Started. And it'll take a minute to load everything, and it's going to then bring you to the Google Classroom platform. There probably won't be all these little boxes like this in yours, but there will be a plus sign or a box here that says Join Class. So you're going to click that. You're going to click Join Class, and you're going to enter our class code when it asks for a class code. Don't enter this, but enter this. QPMSUMY. I didn't come up with that. Google created that because it's kind of difficult to remember. But that's it. QPMSUMY. Don't include the parentheses, just the letters, all lowercase. And you're going to click Join. Once you do that, I'll show you what's next. You're going to see... Man, I look awful.
No, you don't.
I look terrible. I was up all night trying to get this thing going, and we have HughesNet, satellite internet. We're out in the rural, like with cows and donkeys and stuff. It's difficult sometimes, so y'all bear with me in posting things. I do my best. I'm using my mobile data right now because the HughesNet, It's napping, I guess. So anyway, when you pull up the Google Classroom platform, yours will look like this. Now this one is for my little one, Tatum, but yours will say Miss True 2019-2020. And yours will have my name here, True. I'm going to show you with Tatum's how you can navigate this, because yours is going to look different than mine once you click inside. So you click in here, and you'll notice the first tab is called Stream, and this is where we can all post things for each other to see, or if I've posted a new, it's called assignment, but it's not. It's mostly, it's going to be an activity slideshow for the day. But like I say, you don't have to do any of it, but it's there if you do. So they're going to all be posted here if I post a question or something for you. Also, you're going to be able to see little extra things that we might be doing. I will post them up here, and you'll also receive a message. I will send out a message through Dojo if we're going to do like a Hangouts or something. So all that's going to be posted here in the stream. So you can see they've been posting things for a little while now. I wish I had done this earlier, but I didn't realize we were going to be out of school till pretty much the end of April. So, and it may be longer than that. So let's get used to this, right? Okay. Why did that happen? I apologize for that little thing. Anyways, you will see our slideshows if you click into classwork. And I will have all the slideshows posted here by date, as Tatum's teacher, Miss Cleek, has done. And there will be no due date because it's not required. When you click into it, you'll see my little Google Slides with our stuff on there for the day. And you can submit work by viewing assignment. So you can add or create. So if you take pictures of your child's work, or a picture of them, or a video of them doing something, an activity, you can post it here. You can get it, upload it to your Google Drive, and then grab it from here, or you can just directly upload it from your file. And you should be able to download Google Classroom to your phone. There's an app in the App Store, and it's free, called Google Classroom. You can download it to your phone and go through the prompts that we did earlier with the logging in, wherever it went. Go through those, and on your phone. I guess my word isn't working. Anyway, yes, there you go. So you can go through these prompts on your phone as well. You can go through them on your tablet if you want to download the app to your tablet also. And you can access the Google Classroom from any of those devices. You just have to go through this process on each device. So that is how that works. So that's what I use. I mostly take pictures and things like that of Tatum with my phone, and I just use my phone to upload the file directly. Sometimes I'll upload it, if it's a video, I'll upload it to my Google Drive first and then to here, but sometimes that's difficult. But file is the easiest way. And it'll post it here. Then you'll just click turn in, and that lets us know it's done. You can also type a comment to me if you wanted to say something like, you know, she really enjoyed the scavenger hunt, but your video was way too long and boring, so she didn't really like that. And that'll help me know what to taper my activities to. So that's how that works. And you can get back out of there by going to clicking my name up there. And people, I'm not sure, I guess that's just showing you different people that are in there. So anyway, that's what yours is going to look like, but it'll be my stuff. So let me show you that real quick, and we'll be on our way. So there's Miss Cleek again. Let's get out of that. Mine will look like this. It's True, and it's got a pen and paper. Now this is the teacher account, so you're not going to have some of this stuff on yours. But I was just going to show you the classwork. Here's our Google slideshow. It has not posted yet. It won't post till Monday. I'm not done. So that's why it's gray on my screen. I'm not done. So I'm going to finish that, and it's scheduled to post on March 30th. And you should be able to see it then, and you can click in there and go to the activities that are in the slideshow. You can taper it and make it your own. Use it as a guide just for ideas for you to do things. And I even put in here like a schedule that you could go by if you wanted. A lot of times the kids function better on a schedule, so you may or may not want to use the schedule I have here, but it helps sometimes to know how long each activity should be. So as you keep clicking through anything that's with color on it, it's a link to a video like on YouTube or a website with a game. This one's me reading a story about a cat, and this is one on a letter blending activity, a link. So anyway, it just goes through. I even put in their free play because we want to make sure they have plenty of time to play and use their imagination. And writing activity is optional, and every day these slides will be different activities for them to do. So anyways, that is how it works. And if you have questions about anything, you can reach out to me and check out the Google Class. Explore what I've got on the stream page so far. I've got a few little things on there. You can also post on here, and everyone else will see what you post. So if we do any more like little themes like we did with the virtual day photos, you can post them here, and everyone will be able to see, kind of like a Facebook news feed is kind of what this is like. So the stream tab. Now classwork is all private, so anything that you submit to me will be private there. So anyway, so that is that, and we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it will it'll be a good smooth, easy transition. Lord, why did I make that large screen? Let's get out of here. Bye guys, thanks for coming.